If you're watching this, chances are you are curious about what ChatGPT is and how it works. Maybe you are an employee looking for a way to help yourself to learn about technology and communications, or maybe you are a student looking for new ways to engage your activities. Whatever your reasons for being here itself, I hope this video give you a better understanding of ChatGPT and its potential uses and how you can make money with the help of ChatGPT. You may have heard of chatbots or virtual assistants that can have conversation with you, and ChatGPT is the technology behind them. So don't take so much time of yours. Let's talk about what exactly ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. It is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and generate neutral language text. It is trained on large amount of text data and uses an algorithm called a transformer to learn how to generate text that is similar to human conversation. And it is a large language model LLM trained on massive amount of language data to accurately predict the next word of the sentence. In simple friends, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence algorithm-based chat box that basically give answer to questions in human-like conversation. It has more than 100 million users within the first 2 months of its launch and has more than 13 million daily visitors as of 2023. In January 2023, ChatGPT crossed 100 million users, making it the fastest growing consumer applications in a short period of time. And it is a large language model LLM trained on massive amount of language data to accurately predict the next words of a sentence. It means it can understand and generate text in many languages like English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Arabic, and many other languages. As I said, you can also use it to translate your word into different languages. Easily you can go to Google and write ChatGPT in the search option and will click on the search button, and now you can see a website appear on the top with the name openai.com. Now go to this website simply. Here in the middle left you can see an options to try ChatGPT. Now easily click on it and sign up for real quick. And now you are ready to chat with AI. Before heading to our next topic, there is one more thing that is important and you guys need to know is the ChatGPT has some limitations too. As per report of BCC, ChatGPT has last trained on a diverse range of textual data up till 2020-22, which means it does not know so many events which happened after that time. And also ChatGPT claims that it has trained data up to September 2020-22. As like, let me show you an example guys. I am asking who win the FIFA World Cup 2020-23 to ChatGPT, as now you can see his response. Its second limitation is sometimes also it takes a few more times to give an answer, and also few people report that it gives wrong answer in some certain topics. And now OpenAI has recently announced its latest AI model GPT-4 on 14th March on Tuesday, which will power the next version of ChatGPT. GPT-4 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4. It is an improvement over GPT in several aspects. They said GPT-4 has 175 billion parameters compared to the old GPT 45 billion parameters. The OpenAI also claims GPT-4 can produce more coherent and fluent text that are closer to human speech. It can also handle longer conversation and maintain context better than GPT 3.5. And these improvements make GPT-4 more capable of engaging with humans in nature and meaningful ways. So friends, I think that is more than enough to understand what ChatGPT is. Now head back to our second main questions of our today's video. That's how you can make money with the help of ChatGPT. Firstly, I would like to tell you guys that I'm a freelancer since 2 years and I worked with so many clients and solved their problems basically in the field of blog writing, content writing, writing articles for their website. So I can say that I'm able to help you guys with this. And now guys, you can also use ChatGPT to write content, blog and article. And with these, you can also post your blog articles and content to some website which they will pay you for that. I like to list some websites for you guys. The first one is WordPress.com, second is Linode, third is Vocal Media, and fourth is Blogger. These all websites will pay you between $1 to $5 on every single click on your blog. And if your blog is getting on trending, it will pay you very much more. Let me show you an example guys. Simply go to the WordPress.com. Here you can see his website interface and now click on Get Started. After here guys, you can see their monthly and annually membership plan. Don't worry, you don't have to buy it. You just simply click on the top here that is written start with the free site. After that, do a real quick sign up, choose a domain, and now you can see our profile is created. If you want to, then you can customize also your profile so look professional. After that, you can see here write option, and now you start writing your blog. And now here from the real game started. I simply go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a blog for me. Here you can see guys, ChatGPT start writing a blog for me. After it complete writing, I easily copy all his text and go to my blog sections and paste it. As you can see guys, my first blog is ready. After do some customization, I easily go to the publish sections and publish my blog. Here you can see our first blog is getting published and everybody can do this. And for second guys, you can go to so many freelancer website as like name1upwork.com and sign up as a freelancer for free there. There are client which is ready to pay you $5 to $6 per hour for just blog writing. And there are some more websites like first is Fiverr, the second is freelancer.com, the third is free FlexJob. So I hope you guys like my first video. If you like the information, then make sure to like my video and subscribe to our channel to see more money making videos. And if you have any question related to my videos, then ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys and stay safe.